The minute the surgery was over, I had complete feeling back in my fingertips, which had not happened when I was dropping everything. His expertise is incredible.
He's known really all over the country as just a top surgeon and an innovator in the field. I was really excited to know that I had somebody and I had confidence in him, because it makes a huge difference in terms of your recovery and just the whole psychological effect of having surgery.
It's very easy to see why Dr. Justin Field is one of the most sought-after spine surgeons in Arizona. His education speaks for itself, with degrees from Vanderbilt, Georgetown, and Tulane. Dr. Field also did his orthopedic surgery residency at Duke before completing a spine surgery fellowship at the Spine Institute in Santa Monica, California. His personality speaks volumes. In fact, Dr. Field has been named by patients as one of America's most compassionate doctors.
I think you have to make a real connection with people. I always like to think that, wherever I am, even if it's not in the operating room or in the office or just on the weekend, that wherever I go, I'm making friends.
He and his nurse were both there as soon as I came, out of the anesthesia, and spent time talking to me and what they had found, walked me through everything. He had actually found a large cyst inside my back as well that he removed. And, he told me exactly what he found and spent a great deal of time with me and said that the surgery went outstanding.
This guy makes you feel comfortable. He explains everything to you, and he gives you options. And if he wouldn't do surgery if he didn't feel like he needed to do surgery.
Given his vast education, his surgical skills, and his friendly demeanor, it's not a surprise to find out that Dr. Field is the surgeon other doctors turn to when they need a spinal procedure done on their own back or neck.
I had 8 or 9 surgeries scheduled that day that I was supposed to do. And it was always very difficult to get out of bed in the morning. Well, this morning I couldn't get out of bed. It wasn't just difficult, I couldn't move because I was having so much pain.
Orthopedic surgeon Dr. Dave Camerata knew it was time to repair his herniated disc, and he absolutely knew who was going to be his surgeon. There was no doubt. And of course, Dr. Field came through for it.
We were at the hospital by 1 o'clock in the afternoon and then had surgery at 4 o'clock that evening and went home at 6 or 7 and haven't had any pain since then. 0.
I think 1 week later he was back doing total hips and total knees very quickly, which was great.
I think when I tell patients that he actually operated on me, that's a different level of trust and a different level. And so these people that were reluctant maybe to see a spine surgeon will automatically see him now because he operated on me. I have no bones about telling anybody about that, and I tell everyone.
So many people knew that I was so ill and in such bad shape that they asked me how I could recover so quick, and I really tell them my story about Dr. Field and him giving me my life back.
Now I feel like I have my life back, and I can be the teacher or the mom, the friend, the wife that I need to be and want to be, and it's because of Justin Field.
After I'm able to fix them, the joy that they have, that their family members have, and seeing them again and seeing them do well, it's a wonderful feeling.